Hi, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Welcome to another video tour. Today we are at Colinas Verdes, a little development about 7 minutes from Lagos, 2.5 hours to Lisbon, 1 hour to Faro and about 40 minutes to Sagres. The location is quite special. It offers authentic traditional Portuguese living, very secluded, very private, yet just a stone's throw to civilization, so you can enjoy the both worlds. The house is here quite amped, the property is here quite amped. Large plots, even larger houses. One of them is behind me, so let's have a look-see. So, welcome inside. This property was originated in 1963 and gradually from there was upgraded and enhanced, and what you see here is the final result. It already is loaded with all the modern technology, a list of which you can actually see in our website, but some of it like photovoltaic, air conditioning, central heating, everything that makes you feel and live very comfortably. So, the property. The plot is about 2,000 square meters, property itself 260, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus an extra space, garage, gym, sauna. It's massive. And the main feature of this property is of course the garden. The garden is very mature, well taken care of. It even has its own fish, a gold fish pond. I mean, it's just really cool. So thank you for taking this tour with us. I'm about to take a dive, or maybe I'm not, but nevertheless, thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, go to our website and inquire now if you want to score this, a visit to this lovely property. I mean, traditional living, large property, large plot, south facing, it's a dream.